Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 7th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, I am getting into a new chapter. The chapter is joint bar graph. You have studied about bar graph in 6th standard, and this is a continuation of it, and comparatively easy to understand. Okay, so let me get into the textbook. It is joint bar graph. Your textbook has given a graph at the beginning. अभी आपको टेक्स्ट बुक देखना नहीं है, आपको टेक्स्ट बुक से फेमिलियर इसलिए कर रहे हैं, आपको बाद में देखना है क्योंकि ग्राफ में देख के बहुत समझना है और आपको ड्राइंग करना है. और ये वीडियो में जॉइंट ग्राफ हाउ टू मेक इट दैट आई विल बी शोइंग यू एंड यू विल बी लर्निंग इट. इट इज गिवन दैट दिस ग्राफ इज अजय's wheat production. अजय गेहूं का प्रोडक्शन करते इसलिए अजय wheat प्रोडक्शन का बार ग्राफ इट विच यू स्टडीड इन 6th standard. What it is showing, first and foremost, whenever you see a graph, you should see that what graph it is Ajay's wheat production. What it is showing year here 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. It's not that clear, I know, textbook का page इसलिए. And the production in quintals in terms of 100 kgs. That means you should multiply with 100. Now here it is 10 quintals, 20 quintals, 30 quintals, 40 quintals, 50 quintals, 60 quintals. I told you as it is textbook page थोड़ा clarity कम है, बाद में मैं आपका खुद का बनाएंगे. Now from the graph we can understand that Ajay had a better production of wheat in the year 2012. उनका production 2011 में 40 quintal था. Okay, so that means we can read the graph easily. Reading and from the graph is a pictogram, like we can understand the thing very quickly. This you know in 6th standard itself. This is Vijay's wheat production. Vijay भी wheat production में है, and Vijay's wheat production is showing almost 55 quintals here. How much? 55 quintals you can see here, and here it is as low as 30 quintal. Now I am asking you, who is better in performance in the year 2014? तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप सर एक स्टेप पीछे जाइए, तो मैं एक स्टेप पीछे जाएंगे इनको मिटा के. Okay, and I will see that the wheat production of Ajay was 45 quintal in this year. How much? 45 quintal, and that of Vijay is around 40 quintal in 2014. We can avoid this going back and coming back. There comes the importance of bar graph. इधर क्या किया है, अजय एंड विजय दोनों का wheat प्रोडक्शन एक साथ डाला है, उससे समथिंग वंडरफुल कम्स आउट. अजय एंड विजय हैड इक्वल प्रोडक्शन इन 2011, and here it is written Vijay is having a low white color and dark blue is of Ajay, and Vijay had a better production in the year 2012. Ajay had a better production in 2013, but दोनों को wheat प्रोडक्शन कम था. And in 2014, जो मैं आपको पूछ रहा था, 45 is Ajay's production, 45 quintal, and Vijay's production is only 40. So by joining the graph, joint graph है ना हमारा topic. By joining the graph, we could see both together, easily understandable, and quite saving time and saving space also. And the concept of y-axis, and it's 1 centimeter is equal to 10 quintal. This you have studied in the last year. So this way we can join the graph, and more than one data can be joined, and thereby we will get a common graph, and it will be easy to understand, and it will be a good way of comparison. Understood? That is the importance of joint graph. तो अभी इंटरेस्ट ये हो गया कैसा बनाएंगे. नेचुरली अपना इंटरेस्ट ऐसे ही अभी मुझे बनाना है, ऐसा इंटरेस्ट आएगा. सो देखेंगे उसका स्टेप्स के बारे में. और ये मैंने ऑलरेडी बता दिया, व्हेन दोनों का एक पेज में लाया, यू कैन आंसर ऑलमोस्ट एवरी क्वेश्चन इन विच यू डिड बोथ प्रोड्यूस इक्वल क्वांटिटीज ऑफ वीट. दोनों को कौन सा साल में इक्वल था, 2014 में क्या प्रोडक्शन था, 2013 हाउ मच वी डिड अजय एंड विजय प्रोड्यूस टुगेदर, दोनों का मिलके कितना. कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछो, नो टर्निंग ऑफ पेज, नो टर्निंग ऑफ हेड, आप एक ही नज़र में देख के बताएंगे. इसलिए हमको जॉइंट ग्राफ बनाना है, बनाने को सीखना है. दैट इज अ टारगेट. सो बनाना है, बना के सीखना है, तो उसके लिए उसका नेचर अच्छा से स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. Here is another graph, and where you will be trying to read it out, how to read the graph. So once you know the use of it, then you will make the graph better. इसलिए टेक्स्ट बुक में ऐसा दिया जाता है. Maximum temperature and minimum temperature from Monday to Friday is given. Monday to Friday is given on x-axis, and temperature is given on y-axis. You can see here. And color is given for each one. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature in a blank blue box, and minimum temperature in a dark blue box, and we are coloring it. फिर सोचेंगे ये गैप कैसे, वो अपने इस इंटरेस्ट में कितना बार आएगा. मतलब मंडे टू फ्राइडे तो हमको मालूम है वी रिक्वायर 5 वर्टिकल बार, सो वो स्पेसिंग हम एडजस्ट करेंगे. फिर ये स्केल कैसे बनाएगा, वी विल चेक द मैक्सिमम reading. In this case we know that the maximum reading is 30, and we are having 1 2 3 4, how many squares are there, accordingly we will divide it and we'll write the scale over here. I know that you know this, आपने लास्ट ईयर किया है, लेकिन फिर भी बता रहा हूँ. टेक्स्ट बुक भी वैसे ही मेरे जैसा ही बार बार बताते रहता है. So that way we can make it. And while making a graph, certain things will be given to you. You will be given two things to compare here. Here a comparison of percentage of literate people in state Maharashtra and Gujarat. Maharashtra और गुजरात के literate peoples का comparison है. We are asked to make a joint graph for this data. Data is given. Understood? 71, 81, 91, 2001, 2011. These are the years given, Maharashtra and Gujarat. So we need to have an idea about what we are going to do. We need 1 2 3 4 5 bars again, and the comparison is between Maharashtra and Gujarat. This will be the two things we are comparing. So 2 bars will be there, and we will plan to color differently or shade differently, and the maximum value is we should check that. Here it is 83 is the maximum highest value, and here we are having 40 as the lowest value. So while making the scale we should think about this. 40 भी आना मांगते, 83 भी आना मांगते within area. Okay, so that is the technique of drawing a joint bar graph. So मुझे अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपके सामने ग्राफ पेपर लाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so let me go and get a graph for you, ताकि आपको दिखा सके. Okay, I will just try to draw that in a new page. मुझे बड़ा ग्राफ पेपर डाल नहीं सकते स्क्रीन में, so I will have limitation. Okay, anyway, we'll come back to the this one. We are having two things here, as I told you. 83 is the maximum. Maximum here is 83, and minimum is 40, which is important to me. So I am having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 squares are there, right? 7 centimeter we can say. So I have to decide that I will be putting on y-axis the percentage of literate people in the state Maharashtra. Okay, so I have to write that first. First of all, the graph is on percentage of literate people, and here I will be writing the percentage. Okay, and I have a percentage from here. If I put 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 तक ही पहुंचेंगे. So I would like to put 20, 40 percentage. It is 60, 80, 100, 120. And here I need that of 5 years. So I need to make a bar graph of both joint bar graph, and I need 5 vertical bars, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeter or 7 squares are there. So accordingly I will leave one and will start at a particular distance, and I will be using 2 vertical lines for a graph. In that case I can use I will be using a particular span of this much for one graph, this much for the graph of second state, and I will give equal gap over there. Okay, you will see that what I am doing, and you should observe it thoroughly so that you will understand. So let me begin with that, and I have to write the scale here now. What the scale I have taken is scale y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 20%. That is what I have taken. आप 10% लेंगे, आपको ग्राफ में लेंथ मिलेगा. ये स्क्रीन ऐसा है ना, अपना स्क्रीन का लिमिटेशन है 1. In this one, here I will be drawing 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011, and let us mark the upper limit of each year bar graph. So Maharashtra 46 I should mark here. This is 50, so 46 will be around here, and that of Gujarat is 40, I have to mark here, and that of 1981 57 is Maharashtra, so it will come around here, and 45 is Gujarat, so it will come 40, 50, 45. Okay, I told you limitation of the graph's size in digital screen. And then we are having 1991 65, 60 is here, 80 is here, 70 is here, 65 must be in between. Okay, and 61 for Gujarat, and 77 for Maharashtra in 2001, and 69 for Gujarat. '77 and 61, 69, right? 70 is here around. Okay. Then in 2011, 83, so it should cross 80 here, and 79 again for Gujarat. This way the upper limit of each bar graph. Now I need to draw vertical bars in order to draw bars. Okay, so let me try to draw that with digitally. I have to find out how to make it happen. Let this be okay. I'm taking 2 vertical columns per state. Okay, this is 1, and I can draw for Gujarat like this. You will be drawing in a graph and you will be having more sharp graph. My graph will not be that sharp. And this is for Maharashtra next, that is in 1981. And for Gujarat here. Then in 1991, Maharashtra and Gujarat almost close by. This is almost 61 it is. Okay, then comes 2001. मुझे आपकी जैसे बड़ा ग्राफ स्क्रीन में वर्टिकली हाइट कम है ना, that is the limitation here. Okay, then you are having 2011. Okay, if you want you can color it differently so that you can see it differently, in the sense that you can have a shade in one and no shade in other. You can shade it, you can increase its thickness, the shading will happen quickly. You can shade it like this. For example, you can shade and make it different from other. Otherwise you can do something, anything you can do. It is up to you what to do. I will do one thing, some easy work I will do. This I am marking it like this, of that of Gujarat. गुजरात के अंदर कुछ स्लैंडिंग लाइंस डालता हूँ. आप पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करेंगे, आपके लिए भी वही अच्छा होगा. यू कैन शेड इट और जस्ट पुट क्रॉस लाइन. कलर नहीं कर सकते ना आपके ग्राफ में. ऑल दिस विल बी डन विथ पेंसिल बाय यू. तो मैं इधर कलरफुल दिखा के आप सोचेंगे हम क्या करें. कलर मत करो, यू विल जस्ट यूज पेंसिल एंड शेड इट लाइक दिस. नाउ व्हाट इज लेफ्ट इज हियर वी हैव टू राइट the literate people. So we will write again percentage of literate people. Maharashtra, Gujarat. अब हम और एक काम करेंगे. महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात. महाराष्ट्र का कैसे है? You are having a blank बॉक्स. गुजरात का कैसे है? आपका उसके अंदर लाइंस दिखेगा. नाउ आवर ग्राफ इज ओवर. ऑलमोस्ट क्लियर टू यू एंड आई नो दैट लाइक मी यू ऑल्सो विल प्रैक्टिस. तो मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा. यस, कोविड की वजह से हम ऐसा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्क्रीन में प्रैक्टिस कर रहे. हाउ टू टीच यू over the electronic screen. So here it is given percentage and the percentage, and it is in given that the percentage of literate people. Okay, so graph se clear hai. Almost every time we understand that the literacy in Maharashtra is much better than that of Gujarat, but in both state year after year बढ़ते जा रहे लिटरेट पीपल का परसेंटेज. 100 में आउट ऑफ 100 हाउ मेनी? सो इट हैज रीच टू 83% इन महाराष्ट्र in 2011, 79% in Gujarat. So my dear students, the purpose is that how to represent data using joint bar graph. Your textbook is having interesting questions to convert into joint graph, and you will do it yourself, taking time, taking pain, taking graph paper, but you will enjoy it because this is something what you have to do. Okay, thank you. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the